up, you guys? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you guys remember, about a month ago I had this insane flare up on my skin, broke out, and how I had acne all over my face, and that acne was just not going away. It did take a while, and then I had to see my dermat, and after a lot of medications and one facial later, my skin is now back to healthy and being normal. Although I do have a little bit of acne situation here, but this is just very normal. This will go on its own, I know that. But I did use a couple of actives after that and some products to get rid of the acne scars. Now I haven't used all of them, but I have used them at some point, and I can tell you that these products really have worked for me. Okay, and these are specifically meant for scars and pigmentation and stuff like that. So if you have acne scars, if you have any kind of scars or any marks on your face or pigmentation for that matter, you can use these products, and you don't have to use all of them together. Please do not use all of them together. Just stick to one product out of whatever I'm talking about, and that is it. Just stick to that one product, use the sunscreen every day, and you will be able to get rid of scars. And also, to see results with actives, you will have to stick to a routine every day. You cannot just use it once and be like, oh, abhi tak to scars idhar hi hai, kuch nahi ho raha. Skincare actives work. They 100% work on every skin. It's just that you have to maintain a routine, and you will be mind blown how beautifully they actually work on your skin. Okay, so yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Let me show you all what products I like and what have been working well for me. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I have is by Deconstruct Skincare. This is something that is very new in the market, and I've just very recently come across. It is their beginner's exfoliating serum. Now, if you're looking at chemical peels, chemical peel is basically that one treatment that you do for your skin every week, once a week, or say once in 10 days. Okay, that is basically using, how earlier I used to use a scrub on my face to sort of get rid of the dead skin cells and everything. I have stopped using that. I think it's been 2 years. It's almost been 2 years now. I started it in last lockdown. So yeah, I mean one and a half year now that I haven't touched physical exfoliator on my face, Ever since I started using chemical peels, my skin has been amazing. My skin, this is the best version of my skin right now, okay? And that is all because of all the chemical peels and all the actives that I use. So this is one product which is for beginners. It's got 5% lactic acid and 1.5% probiotics. So basically it helps in exfoliating your skin. So mildly, it will not only work on the top layer of your skin, it will also penetrate deeper into your pores and just take out all of the gunk from your pores and just give you a nicer, cleaner, healthier looking skin. Now at the same time, it also has hyaluronic acid, which will help in, hyaluronic acid is basically a humectant which helps in boosting the hydration levels in your skin. Okay, so that is needed. Hydration is basically, that is the game that you're looking at. You need to hydrate your skin at all, after everything. So the humectant is already present in this, so your skin does not dry out because of the humectant, which is hyaluronic acid, which is already present in this. Apart from that, it also has 1.5% probiotic, which helps in strengthening your skin barrier. It just sort of maintains the health of your skin by just boosting the already present microbes in your skin. Okay, if you haven't used a chemical exfoliator, personally I think you have to give it a try, because you will in fact see instant results. It's sort of really removes the texture from your skin. You will see a drastic before and after. Just run your hands on your face, and then after you're done with chemical exfoliation, then you run your hands on your face. You will see such a difference. Your skin instantly feels smoother and more radiant. But again, you have to use a sunscreen after you started exfoliating your skin. Chemical peel is a must once you have entered your 20s, because it's just nice. Instead of using a physical exfoliator, just switch to a chemical exfoliator which is gentle on your skin. At the same time, it's more effective and it works better in the long run for your skin. Okay, and this one anyway is for beginners, because the percentage is meant for beginners, so that you don't really start with extreme actives and a lot of percentage which will harm your skin in the long run. So all you need to do is just take 2 to 3 drops of this and sort of apply it on your face, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then that is it. Wash it off using, I use cold water, and I'm not sure if you're supposed to use lukewarm water or warm water, because I prefer using cold water, so that my pores can just instantly shut after I've chemically exfoliated. So this is one product that you should try out if you're just starting out with chemical peels and stuff. also chemical exfoliation because it takes off the top layer of your skin. Also, it works on the deeper levels. It will help in like sort of fading your scars away. Okay, this is like more effective than any creams as such. Okay, apart from that, another product that will help in fading your scars effectively is their brightening serum. Now this has 10% niacinamide and 0.3% alpha arbutin. Both these ingredients are active ingredients, and they're actually meant to like, you know, fade away your scars and sort of like, you know, work on your skin to like reduce pigmentation, work on your skin cell turnover and all of that, and just like sort of maintain that healthy skin barrier. Now niacinamide is that one ingredient that actually strengthens your skin barrier. So once you start chemically exfoliating your skin sort of becomes sensitive, right? Like because of all the exfoliation and everything. So you need to strengthen your skin barrier, and for that you have to use niacinamide. Niacinamide is that one ingredient that just sort of strengthens your skin barrier. Now this product is like a double combination of active ingredients that will help in fading your scars away, because niacinamide also helps in fading your scars away, and at the same time alpha arbutin does the same thing. You know, you don't really have to just use this at night time. Both morning and daytime works equally well. So it basically will help with your uneven skin tone, pigmentation, scars, just you know, texture if you have any, and also to like strengthen your skin barrier, also with your skin cell turnover, etc, etc, etc. Okay, also another thing, if you haven't heard of this brand, it's a new brand. They've just come up with their active based skincare, and they do have a lot of products in their skincare range, so do check it out. I'm going to mention everything in the description box. So I'm going to use the brightening serum because, you know, I have just chemically exfoliated last night, so do not wish to like chemically exfoliate again. But niacinamide is something that you can actually use after you've exfoliated, because it actually works well in combination to a chemical exfoliator, because it strengthens your skin barrier and everything. So just that, and sort of like tap it into your skin. You don't really have to like massage it, just tap it and the serum will automatically penetrate into your skin. Okay, it's a very lightweight serum. There is no fragrance to any of their products, which is good because you don't really need fragrance in your skincare. And for a lot of people, skincare actually also causes a lot of irritation. So yeah, that is it. Now you just like let it sit in your skin and just like let it absorb. And to just top it off, I'm gonna use a little bit of moisturizer. Okay, so now the next product that I have is something that you can use if you are, say, like in your mid-20s and above. If you're just in your 20s, like early 20s, you don't really have to include this product in your skincare routine right now. If you have crossed your 25, 26-ish, then you can start using a retinol. The one that I would recommend, in fact, I do have a couple of brands of retinol that I keep trying and testing here and there, but this is the one that I really like. It's by Dr. Sheth. It's their Rosehip and Retinol Power Emulsion. With retinol, you have to use a moisturizer, because retinol will actually like, you know, sort of exfoliate the top layer of your skin, and in some cases your skin can turn extremely dry if you don't moisturize it well. And a lot of times people like to use, you know, they like to mix the retinol with the moisturizer itself. Like you mix like one pump of the retinol with a little bit of moisturizer, and then you massage it on your face. Okay, again, use this at night, and again in the daytime you have to follow up your normal skincare routine with a sunscreen. All right, so yeah. Moving on to the next product, it's the Mandarin and Vitamin C 15% Serum by Plum Goodness. Now, Vitamin C is known to like, you know, sort of brighten your skin and like, you know, reduce your dark spots and everything. As I was saying, if you have sensitive skin, do a patch test before you put on the Vitamin C all over your face, okay? Sometimes Vitamin C comes in a very concentrated form, especially when you're using a serum. Make sure that you dilute it with moisturizer and then you apply it on your face, okay? And Vitamin C is good because I like it. It's just that, again, vitamin C, as I said, can cause skin sensitivity. In fact, all of the active wala cases, once you start using actives, you have to use a sunscreen. I think I've like literally mentioned this 25,000 times already on my channel. Do not like, because what will happen is कि वो तुम्हारी skin को like, you know, it will like start exfoliating and your top layer will become extremely sensitive to sun. So when the sun rays hit your face, you will get more pigmentation. So the actives will actually cause you more harm than good if you don't use a sunscreen, okay? So use a sunscreen. And vitamin C is another good product to have in your skincare routine because it brightens up your skin, it reduces scars, it fades scars and everything. And you know, you always have that nice, fresh, glowy sort of a skin. It also adds a little bit of dewiness to your face. You know, you look nice and refreshed. Again, I like using my vitamin C at night. A lot of people prefer using it at daytime also, but I use all of my actives during the night time. Okay, moving on to the next one, which is the niacinamide serum. This is by Dot & Key. Now, I use a lot of products from Dot & Key because they do have a lot of actives that I keep trying out. If you're not aware of what niacinamide does, it's one active that actually covers a lot of things. Like, it helps with your scars, it helps with hydrating your skin, it helps with mild skin exfoliation and all of that. So yeah, this is one product that you can add in your skincare routine, and you can use this both daytime as well as nighttime. It's actually a good ingredient, especially if you are in your early 20s and stuff, and if you do not want to go for anything that is extremely, like, you know, that's not needed when you're in your early 20s, like a retinol for example. So you can start with something like this. Niacinamide is actually good. You can use it like regardless, irrespective. It's actually a very good ingredient to have in your skincare routine. Okay, now another active that I've very recently started to, like, you know, in fact I was hearing about this active since a while, but I never really tried it out because I wasn't really sure about this one. It's the Alpha Arbutin face serum. So Alpha Arbutin is the active, and this one is by the Dermaco. It's 2% Alpha Arbutin. So it's got Alpha Arbutin and hyaluronic acid, and you can use this both day as well as nighttime. And this is specifically meant for uneven skin tone and dark spots. So basically, actives का काम ये होता है. All of the actives, if you see, you will come to a conclusion that all of the actives majorly, except for hyaluronic acid, will help with your dark spots, unevenness, and, like, you know, pigmentation and stuff. It just depends on your skin type and what kind of, you know, skin concern you have and what suits your skin better. Okay, so these were some of the actives that have worked really well for me, and some of the brands that I definitely would encourage you guys to try. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you have anything that you want to discuss with me, or let me know. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have any more actives that you want me to try out, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that is it for now. I will see you all next time. Bye.